So now let us work around with setting up a background in Canva. So to set up a background, you can go to your photos section, or you can import your own photos as well and click on the photo. And what you can do is you can simply right click on it and click on set image as a background, and now it is a background. So you can click over here and then edit the background. You can double click, you can move it aside, and everything is cropped as you can see. So you cannot make it smaller, but you can make it larger and crop it to area just like this. Press done and the background has been set. So that is one way to set up a background. The other way, let me just delete this out. The other way to set up a background is to go on the background section right here. Once you go to background, you can choose from different backgrounds that they provide. For example, let's say I want this lemon, click on that lemon right over there, and that has been set as a background. You can double click on it and then arrange out the space just like that as you would on a regular picture as a background. Press done and that has been set. What you can do with the background is, since it is an image, you can right click and detach it from the background and use it as a regular picture as well, just like that. Another thing you can do with the background is set color. So you can click on the color icon right over here and choose any of the colors you want. For example, you want this as a color, you want this as a color. Just like that, you can select the color or select from a wide color range. Even enter the hexadecimal code if you want to, and then choose from a range of backgrounds just like that, and the background will be set. So you can choose the background of your choice right from over here, or you can set colors. Also, you can use your uploaded photos. So in my case, I got this TutorTube right over here, the TutorTube image. So just click on the TutorTube image and then right click over here, replace background, and now this image has been set as the background right over there. So that is how you work around with background and set backgrounds inside of Canva. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.